Lindo Memoria, a digital souvenir. Lindo's, your gateway to digital preschool memories. It endorses and understands the preschool ideology, which in turn will familiarize you with the modern needs of your school in this era. Refined with the implementation process and presented to you as Lindo Memoria. The process involved in making Lindo Memoria is to give your school the extra recognition and make it stand tall in the competitive world. Our idea is to digitalize the preschool happenings and events and deliver them with a much reformed ideology, along with the basic school infrastructure, image gallery, activity, knowledge and fun zone, to cherish memories of preschool for lifetime in a digital CD format. This is how Lindo's looks like. With paramount interest on kids, Lindo provides the schools a unique and an interactive way to communicate with the parents. The synergetic Playway presentation is well equipped to demonstrate all the salient features of Lindo. Your school concept in visual presentation. Along with preschool learning concepts, we capture all the happenings and events of a kid who witnesses such memorable moments on a very few occasions during his existence. By adding audio and some visual effects, and by rendering into a DVD, well crafted in a jewel case, it will just sparkle your life and become a piece of history, much to treasure it throughout the life. Why Lindo Memoria? Parents love to have their kids attending early days of school as a valuable memory. The competitive market charges for almost every second spent on your work. Our main aim is to provide extraordinary and unique services at minimal charges. Adding visual effects such as designing, animation and digitalization like voiceover, rendering into a DVD, and various other enterprise efforts take a huge investment. With no hidden terms and conditions, all these services will be available for absolutely free of cost from Lindo Memoria. Digitally promoting preschool ideology with Lindos for existing parents as digital souvenir and digital prospectors for newly admitted counterparts leads to a positive effect and raises interest on admission. The visual presentation helps the parents to grasp crucial information much better as compared to the conventional way of promotion. Eventually, would lead to better productivity and increase in admissions. We would provide 100 free DVDs on registration, and from the subsequent year, charges would be levied only on the DVDs. All this without any hidden charges, which has been the hallmark of our organization. Add-on services. Add-on services are just to support our customer, but these are not mandatory. Some add-ons include website designing with interactive banners, intellectual school management system, first year implementation at no cost. Second year onwards, ISMS works on SaaS model at low cost. Area-wise information, specially targeting parents of kids 1 to 3 years to support preschool marketing. Lindo Memoria, for a better tomorrow at no cost. Lindo Memoria is a proud venture of Rainiers Informatics India Private Limited. Reach us on 741 649 8889 or 741 669 8889. Locations: California, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. Visit us at www.rainiersinformatics.com.